What's up, guys? I know I promised you in the video yesterday of this beautiful Honda right here. We had a KTM build we're working on. Well, this thing's finished up. Super happy with it. Let's flip the camera around. Let's check this bad boy out. All right, guys, what we've got here is a KTM 300 two-stroke dirt bike that's been converted into a three-wheeler. As you guys know, if you're new to the channel, this is what we do. We take brand new dirt bikes and basically convert them into three-wheelers. So our customer had actually already put a lot of upgrades on this, such as the billet covers, the levers, these awesome billet radiator guards. He's got almost every single thing I think you can get out of a catalog on this bike. Right down to the billet head, aftermarket hoses. He's got the different intake on here. So he's definitely tweaking the EFI system a little bit with a new ECU. Got adjustable maps. It's crazy what is actually done to this bike. So I'm really curious to see what he thinks of it as a trike with all the other mods that he already put on it. But overall, guys, basically just took our trike kit and made this happen. We actually made a couple upgrades along the way. And bear with me, it's a little bit windy today, so it might be hard to hear me. But guys can see we now have some improved wiring mounts on here for all the wiring on this bike. Improved CDI box mount. Battery box is pretty much the same. That was a great design from the past. Anytime you do a trike conversion, you cut your mid pipe and kick your can over to clear your caliper. But man, everything came together real nice. He chose to go with some old school tires. It's got the hole shots on here with the bead locks. It's got a nice look. I think the back tires are slightly large, but if you're going for ground clearance and a little bit taller seat height, this is gonna work great for them. But overall, super nice build. Now, we actually went ahead and made some updated steering stops for this KTM. So if you guys have purchased KTM clamps from us in the past, we now have a nice steering stop. This keeps your triple clamp from bashing into your radiator. We were forced to do this on this build because he has these billet guards. They were actually touching his triple clamp, which is a no-go for me. So let's flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you guys these steering stops. Now, this is an upgrade, but anybody that purchased clamps from me, shoot us an email. I'll get these sent out to you. So we've got a nice bushing system on here. Let's check it out. Basically, bolted the steering stop right to the factory location. There's a bolt that we pulled out, replaced it with a new one. We've got this little bracket here with a rubber bushing. So when you go to turn your handlebars, it's got something to hit. It keeps that fork from contacting your radiator. Of course, we went with the forward seat cover on here. My wife went ahead and made some custom graphics for this bike. I think it turned out awesome, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you guys like the orange triple clamps, let me know. We always try our best to match the orange powder coat color to the OEM frame. It's kind of interesting how this aftermarket ECU is green. I'm not a big fan of that, but it's what it is. It's probably more hidden on the dirt bike. The ATV plastic exposes it a little bit more on the trike kit. But yeah, here's another shot of some more accessories he's got on here. It's a nice little guard, covers up your TPS. Definitely a nice skid plate. It's all carbon fiber, super thick. It is kind of rubbing a little bit. He had pre-installed that on the bike before we got it here. But we went ahead and installed all our billet protection on the back. Of course, our wide folding foot pegs. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this trike. It's one of my favorite KTMs that we have done here. This is actually a local customer, so he drove down to our shop and dropped it off. If you're interested in getting a build just like this, head over to bbctrikes.com, shoot us an email, get a hold of us because we can make this happen for you. Again, comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. We love getting ideas from all you guys and making them a reality. So we'll see you in the next video, guys.